Now you are going to have the revision. So today we will do the revision of objective type question, multiple choice questions. Tick the correct options. So I am sharing the screen with you. So here going to do the revision questions, and that is choose the correct answer. And this is I'm starting from lesson 11 onwards. Hmm? So the two types of waste are living waste and non-living waste, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste, healthy waste and unhealthy waste, electronic waste and e-waste. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer is second one, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. So here you have to click the second one. Okay. The second question, the collection and the disposal of waste in towns and cities is looked after by. So what is the second question? The collection and disposals of waste in towns and cities is looked after by the neighborhood, the societies, households, local agencies. So correct answer is number 4, local agencies. We'll come to question 3, that is one of the easiest and safest methods of waste disposal is. So one of the easiest and safest methods of waste disposal is composting, burning, open dumping, landfill. So which is the correct answer? Correct answer is number 1, composting. Yes. So the composting is the easiest and safest methods of waste disposal. Okay, then we'll move to the question 4. The process by which a new product is produced from waste material is called. Okay, the process means you have to say the process. Process by which a new product is produced from waste material is called reducing, reusing, recycling, recurring. So answer is recycling. Number 3 is the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Recycling. With the recycling, you can make the new product. Okay, now we'll move to the question 5. In India, floods are common in the, means where it is common? Southern plateaus, northern plains, coastal plains, and western deserts. So the correct answer is number 2, that is northern plains. So in India, floods are common in the northern plains. We'll move to question 6. This is scarcity of food due to failure of crops leads to a drought, famine, flood, landslide. So मतलब when due to failure of crops, जब when there is no crops, yes, so that leads to famine. Okay, now we'll go to question 7. During the earthquake, the maximum damage is caused near the epicenter, focus, school building, tremor. So answer is first one, epicenter. So the maximum damage is happen where? In epicenter. So first answer first is correct. We'll move to question number 8. The Richter scale measures the intensity of an cyclone, earthquake, tsunami, and flood. So the Richter scale, what you can measure? It is earthquake. Answer is earthquake. The second answer is correct. Earthquake. Question number 9. Cyclones are always accompanied by. मतलब when the cyclones come, with that what else come? उसके साथ और क्या आते हैं? Earthquakes आते हैं, landslide, forest fire, heavy shower. So answer is fourth one, heavy showers. मतलब cyclone के साथ साथ बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होता है. heavy shower मतलब बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होता है. तो last one. Question 10. Just was the first female judge of Iran. So क्या ईरान का जो फर्स्ट फीमेल जज है उनका नाम क्या है? गोल्डा मेरी, Jane Austen, Shirin Ebadi, and Nadia Kamansi. So the correct answer is Shirin Ebadi. Number 3 is the correct answer. Shirin Ebedi was the first female judge of Iran. Question 11. War and Peace is the most famous novel of. War and Peace is the famous novel. किसका है ये? Leo Tolstoy, Jonas Salk, Albert Sabin, Jane Austen. So the correct answer is Leo Tolstoy. Yes, so War and Peace, the most famous novel, it is by Leo Tolstoy. The number 1 is the correct answer. We'll move to question number 12. 5 gold medals in the Olympic perfect 10. Done by who? 5 gold medals in the Olympic perfect 10 done by, this is Jessie Wentz, Mary Curie, and Nadia Comaneci Pele. So which is the correct answer? Correct answer is number 3, Nadia Comaneci. She got 5 gold medals in the Olympic perfect 10. Okay. So Nadia Comaneci is the correct answer. How long did the First World War last? How long did the First World War last? 4 years, 3 months, 5 years, 2 months, 3 years, 6 months, 4 years, 2 months. So the correct answer is number 1, 4 years, 3 months. So the First World War, the duration was 4 years, 3 months. Okay. Now, which of these does not belong to the central powers? Okay. Which of these not belongs to? Bulgaria, this is Ottoman Empire, Germany, Britain. So the correct answer will be Britain. So Britain is not belong to the central powers. In which country Versailles situated? Versailles situated. Which country? Britain, Germany, USA, France. Yes. So the correct answer is for fourth one, France. It is in Paris, so it is France. So in which country the Versailles is situated? Answer is France. Number 4. Which community of people did Hitler target? तो हिटलर जो कम्युनिटी पीपल को टारगेट किया था उसका नाम क्या है? Which community of people did Hitler target? Indians, this is Serbians, Jews, Americans. So correct answer is number 3, Jews. Jews को हिटलर टारगेट किया था. He blamed like Jews is the responsible for the they lost it, so they blame on Jews. So that's why he targeted on that. So correct answer is Jews. Which of the following cities was destroyed by an atomic bomb? Which of the following cities was destroyed by an atomic bomb? So correct answer is what? Paris, Hiroshima, Berlin, London. So correct answer is Hiroshima. Second one is the correct answer. Hiroshima city was destroyed by an atomic bomb. It is in Japan. It's destroyed by this. Okay. Now, question 18. The cheaper cloth imported from England made the Indian weavers. चीपर क्लोथ इंपोर्टेड मतलब जो चीपर क्लोथ है इंपोर्टेड फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड. इंग्लैंड से जब चीपर क्लोथ इंडिया में आ रहे हैं तो इससे इंडिया का जो वीवर है जो कपड़ा जो हु मेड द क्लोथ्स, ओके, दे बिकम व्हाट? पुअर, रिच, प्रॉस्परस, पावरफुल. सो दे बिकम पुअर बिकॉज नाउ their work stop. The clothes are coming from England. So now Indian weavers, मतलब people who make clothes in Indian, so now they do not have any job. So they become poor. So the cheaper clothes imported from England made the Indian weavers poor. The revolt of 1857 started at Indore. This is our Meerut, Delhi. So which is the correct answer? The revolt of 1857 started at Meerut. Answer number 3 is the correct answer. Meerut में शुरू हुआ था जो रिवॉल्ट 1857 का जो रिवॉल्ट है वो मीरठ में शुरू हुआ था. The rule of English The rule of English East India Company ended in, जो इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी जो इंडिया में रूल कर रहे थे वो कब खत्म हुआ था? Ended in 1857, 1858, 1877, 1855. So the correct answer is second one, 1858. So 1858 जो 1857 में जो रिवॉल्ट हुआ था उसके बाद ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का जो रूल है वो इंडिया हुआ था 1858 में। उसके बाद जो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट जो है इंडिया को टूक ओवर कर लिया था। सो 1858 में इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का इंडिया हुआ था। ओके। Modern education in India was introduced by British, French, Portuguese, Dutch. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ब्रिटिश। सो ब्रिटिश जो है उन्होंने मॉडर्न एजुकेशन इंडिया में चालू किया था, शुरू किया था, इंट्रोड्यूस किया था। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ब्रिटिश। The British government introduced the policy of divide and rule. डिवाइड एंड रूल ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट इंट्रोड्यूस किया था। क्यों? एजुकेट द इंडियन को एजुकेट करने के लिए, ब्रिंग अबाउट रिफॉर्म्स आने के लिए, और एनकरेज द नेशनलिज्म और सप्रेस द नेशनलिज्म। एनकरेज मीन्स यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए, और सप्रेस द नेशनल यूनिटी को ब्रेक करने के लिए। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज द सप्रेस नेशनलिज्म। ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट इंट्रोड्यूस द पॉलिसी ऑफ डिवाइड एंड रूल, मतलब डिवाइड करना फिर शासन करना, ये जो है। तो ये रूल इंट्रोड्यूस किया था टू सप्रेस नेशनलिज्म। तो करेक्ट आंसर will be the number 4, suppress nationalism. So this is the end. 22 questions are here. There will be some more questions. The next class I'll be given. But now these 22 questions of this all objective question, you have to practice enough. You have to write several times. You learn and write several times in your notebook. So now I'll stop it. So thank you, students. Take care.